Alright, so we're going to make a video of removing the door handles on a 5th gen Dodge Ram 1500. We're going to do both. I see there's a lot of videos that there's only the rear, it doesn't show the front, or vice versa, because they're both different. So first of all, we need to remove this trim piece here. You're going to need some kind of one of these. Pull that out. Pull that one out. The top one is in the gasket, but it's not attached to the truck, so you can just kind of leave it. Pull that. Another one here. We're also wrapping this truck so to expose this edge better. It's gotta come out anyways. So all the way to the bottom, and then this one just comes right out. There you go. Put that somewhere we don't lose it. Now there's a hole right here. And right here, it's covered by a little piece of tape. And now we could use our Torx to get in there. So you're gonna need a T20 Torx. I'm gonna get in here, loosen it. This should loosen, there you go. This cap here, until this loosens, and this should just eventually come right out, like nothing to it. But leave that alone. Put that somewhere safe. And then the door handle, we just pull towards the back. Comes right out. So now another little tip. Because we're wrapping this truck, I would definitely put the windows down so we have access to the door handle. Now, we just gotta take out these gaskets. Don't have to do anything crazy. Some cars you gotta put the pin back in, or the door will stay closed. It's kind of a hassle. That's why you don't have to do anything. The door still works. Okay. To put it back in, so literally just put the handle back in, put the cap on, and just drive the screw back in, you're done. So now, front one, the cap is right here. You don't have to take no trim off. You just need to use our little pry tool or whatever you like the most. Get that off. So same thing, T20, loosen it a lot. There, to the end, the cap, come right out. Sometimes opening the door handle relieves this a little bit. So that's the easy part. Now, all right, so we've got the cap off. Same thing, pull it forward, pull it out, but there's a plug here, which is nice that if you leave enough lead, you don't have to take the door panel off. So, push down on that. Again, that's it. You're just gonna put it back on, click it back in, reverse the steps, put that on. With the cap, with the screw, you're done. But we're wrapping it, so we have to just sneak that in there. And then put the window down for us. so we can have access to the door handle. Take the trim off. And that's it.